Hi boys and girls, welcome to Crafts and More. We have 3 things that we're going to do today. This is our jellyfish. This is the craft you will do. Then the snack you will do, you will get a graham cracker, you will get some frosting, you will get some gold whales, not goldfish, you'll get whales, and you will get some little pearl beads to put in your ocean in a bottle. But for your snack, you will just need the blue frosting and the whales. Okay. Now for your ocean in the bottle, okay? We're going to have a bottle. We'll fill it up halfway with water. You'll have a cup of oil, and you will have blue food coloring, and you will have your little pearls that are in your bag for your goldfish. All right, are you ready to get started? Miss Libby forgot to get her markers. Sorry about that. Okay, you need washable markers, Crayola, or any type of washable marker that you have. And for your jellyfish itself, you will need 2 coffee filters, and then you will have an extra one to make its tentacles. All right, so first of all, we'll get our 2 coffee filters. What I want you to do is get you a paper plate or 2 paper towels, so you've got plenty under here. And I want you to get your markers and just color the coffee filters all over. Doesn't have to be perfect, just make zigzag lines, all different colors. We've got green, we've got pink, we've got purple, we've got red. Make sure you get them on the edges too. All right, now we'll get some yellow. We've got a brown. And a gold. Okay. All right. You've got your 2 done. Now take your one all by its little lonely. And you can use whatever colors you want in it too. They don't have to be the same colors as your that you did on your jellyfish. If you want to just do 2 or 3 of the colors, that's fine. It's your jellyfish. All right. Let me do the purple, and then I'm going to quit. Okay. That's what will be your tentacles. Okay. What we're going to do next is, if you've got a little bottle, or if your mom has a squirt bottle that she mists her ferns or her plants with, see if you can borrow it and mist your coffee filter. Get it wet. And lay it out to dry. Now I'm going to miss this one. So all of your colors will run together, okay? And put it over here to dry. It'll take it about a couple of hours to dry real good. And then once it's dry, take your 2 coffee filters, fold them in half, like this is done. Glue your big googly eyes on, and then take your scissors, and cut 6 to 8 strips, because a jellyfish has 6 to 8 tentacles, and then glue them between the 2 layers of coffee filters, like this. And once you've done that, you have your jellyfish. Okay? Alright, the next thing you'll do is your snack. Alright. Your snack, you have a graham cracker. There's your graham cracker. Then you have a piece of a graham cracker. And what I want you to do with this piece of your graham cracker, I want you to take it in your hands and crumble it, because that's going to be your sand, okay? So take it and crumble it. Get it as fine as you can so it looks like sand. You may want to hit it with something. If you've got something you can beat it with, that's okay too. Now this is going to be done on this napkin, and I'm going to fold it up. And I'm going to take it and squash it like this. See what I'm doing? I'm folding it over like this and trying to get it into real tiny pieces, so it can go on the bottom of my go on the bottom of my graham cracker. Okay. See? This is your sand down there. Right there at the bottom of the ocean there. Okay? Now, what we're going to do, you will have a little cup like this of frosting. And what you're going to need to do is frost part of your graham cracker. You want the bottom to be frosted, but leave a little bit at the top, okay? That's about all you need right there, frosted. Like that, see? All right, put that on your paper plate or your paper towel. I'm going to put my knife over here and lay your crumbs, which is your sand, sprinkle it on. Now see, some of mine's still a little bit large, but you need little crumbs. I don't want to lose them because it has to sit up for a little bit. There you can see how your sand looks down there at the bottom, and you can get them a little finer than I did. And now we'll put our whales on there. I'll put a few more crumbs there. I've got some more crumbled up here. Now we'll get our whales out, and then you can place your whales. Whoops, well, I broke that one. That's good. let's get our whales out and put them on our graham cracker, and then I'll show you what this looks like. Alright, there's your snack. You're visiting the ocean with your cheesy whales and your graham cracker and your frost. Okay, and if you have whales left over and you want to eat them, that's fine too. Now, our last thing that we're going to do is our ocean in the bottle. And this is my ocean in the bottle right here. And in this you have, of course, your water bottle. If you've got a funnel, it will be easier if you use the funnel. You'll have a cup of oil in your bag, and you will have blue food coloring, okay? A lot of them call for glitter. I'm not going to use glitter because it clumps. And so what we're going to use is, in your bag you have the little white pearls, and I don't know if you can see them here, and that's what you're going to put in your bottle, and you will be able to see them. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is fill my water bottle half full of just plain water. Okay, alright, now I'm going to put my funnel up here because you will have a little cup of blue food coloring. Remember, it's an ocean in a bottle, so you have to have your blue. Alright, and I'm going to pour this in through my funnel. Okay. And next, I'm going to pour my little pearls in. So I'm going to use the funnel to pour them in. Alright, and last will be my oil. And I want you to watch what happens when we start pouring this oil in. What is the water doing? Is it bubbling? Yeah, look at it. Okay. Now, what we will do, what I want you to do, is to take, if you've got Elmer's glue, I thought I had a bottle out here. Let's see, let me get a bottle of Elmer's. You've got a bottle of glue. Don't put it inside the cap. Put it around the edge of the bottle, like this. Put your little strip like that. If you put it in the cap, then it's liable to drip down into your ocean, and you don't want it to do that. Now, be sure you screw your top on really, really good, because you do not want it to leak. Mom will not be happy if it leaks. So, make sure it's on good. Then, when you're sure it's on good, then you can turn it up and watch. Can you see? Aha, there's one of your pearls. See your ocean in the bottle. See? There you go. And here This is what it'll eventually look like once it's set for a while, but you could shake it up and still have your ocean in the bottom. This one does not have the pearls in it because I'd already glued it. But be sure to put your glue and that's stuck. There you go. There's your ocean in the bottle. Alright. Okay, boys and girls, come by the library and pick up your kit. It will be in the lobby of the library, and it will have crafts and more on it. Hope you have a great day.